Inventables, we want to help you launch and grow your business. That's why we're giving away an exclusive X-Carve business bundle just for entrepreneurs like you. If you don't have an X-Carve and you're looking to start a new business or grow an existing business, send us a 2-minute long video telling us these 2 things. The first thing is, what is your business or your business idea? Tell us about your inspiration, the project you want to make, or the customers that you want to serve. Secondly, tell us how the X-Carve is going to help you get there. Are you looking to scale production? Are you looking to prototype a new design? Show us that you've thought about how the X-Carve is going to contribute to your success. If you already have an X-Carve and you're looking to get a second machine, you can win a machine as well. Send us a 2-minute long video telling us 2 things. The first thing is, what was the turning point in your business? Every business has a different success story, but there's always that pivotal moment that makes you want to keep going. Tell us what that moment was for you. Was it when you finally designed your most popular product? Was it when you launched your website? Or maybe you designed your first product? Tell us what that moment was and how it helped set you on the path for success. Okay, so you want to win an X-Carve. Here's how to enter. Record a 2-minute long video based on the criteria that we've just outlined. Once your video is recorded, upload it to YouTube and email us the video URL. You can email your video URL to contest@inventables.com. The winner will be selected based on 2 sets of criteria. The first set of criteria is how many likes are on your video. The video with more likes has a higher chance of winning, so make sure you share your video with everyone that you know. Secondly, we want to know how clearly you convey how the X-Carve is going to help your business. We're interested in partnering with people who know where they want to be and how X-Carve can help them get there. Feel free to submit your video before midnight on March 31st, 2018. We'll announce the winner by the end of April 2018. If you have any questions along the way, make sure to reach out to us at contest@inventables.com.